Hi everyone, welcome back to Chibisi Anyankah YouTube channel. So today we'll be preparing jollof rice, and there'll be a bonus today because I would walk you through the steps of preparing a perfect stew base for your jollof rice, as well as its perfect stew you could pair with any dish of your choice like your white rice. So let's get started. We'll start off by drying our tomato paste in vegetable oil. Note, you have to do this using low heat, do not use high heat. And then the ingredients for this recipe would be listed in the description box below. Thank you. So all you have to do is keep stirring, do not allow it to burn. So just keep stirring until you get a consistency like this. And then I like to dry my tomato paste properly before adding in my pepper mix. So you can add in your pepper mix now after the tomato paste must have dried for a while. This pepper mix consists of atarudo, tatashe, shombo, garlic, ginger, and onions. I did not use fresh tomatoes for this recipe, so you see you have an alternative. Tomatoes are so costly now, so you don't necessarily have to use tomatoes. So allow this to sit on fire for a while and just keep stirring. You can see how it already looks. So it's now time to add your ingredients. Add in some amawanda spices, your tomato stew powder, some garlic powder as well, ginger powder, all-purpose seasoning powder, and then give this a good mix. Stir to combine. Proceed to adding in your Knorr chicken seasoning cubes. Stir this thoroughly, cover and leave to cook for a few minutes. After about 3 minutes, this is what we have. Now add in your chicken broth. Guys, remember that this chicken broth is from the previous video for our tasty fried chicken recipe. So if you have not checked it out, please do well to check it out, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. So we are done preparing our stew, and because we are making jollof rice, we have to separate it. So it's time to scoop out the mix we'll be using for this jollof rice recipe. After dividing the stew base, add in your sliced onions. So guys, we divided our chicken broth into two because we were preparing both stew and jollof rice. So for the jollof rice mix now, we just added in our chicken broth for the jollof rice. Stir and mix to combine. Add in your ground fish, amawanda powder. Add in your kitchen glory, some Knorr chicken seasoning cubes. Stir and mix to combine. So our jollof rice base is getting ready. Yes, so now we could add in our parboiled rice. Now we would be toasting our parboiled rice with the jollof base. Mix this thoroughly and toast this on low heat. Please, everything that we'll be doing it on low heat because you do not want the rice to burn or your food to cook so fast without necessarily cooking well. So try to prepare all of these things on low heat. So just keep toasting the rice, don't let it burn. Toast it. Now the essence of this is to separate the rice and just make the rice come out one. Yes, Note guys, this is how I prepare my own jollof rice. and it really works out well for me. So you could just try this recipe. Would you be trying this? Please let me know in the comments below. So after toasting for like 5 minutes, add in some water. The water that will be enough to cook your rice. Yes, then add in your bay leaves and some seasoning cubes. Remember to always adjust your seasoning and your salt. Remember to adjust it. Add in some more water. Like I said, always taste and know whether you need to add some more seasoning or salt, because we want our rice to come out really tasty, right? Yeah, so that's just what I did. And now we'll be leaving our pot of rice to cook. I used a used foil to cover my pot because I wanted it to trap in the steam and cook the jollof rice. Jollof rice cooks on low heat and basically uses steam to cook. You guys, you know how I love to entertain you, so I love to give snippets of my life, and this is just me. I think I'm a really interesting person. Yeah, I think I am. So I just thought that while we're waiting for the rice to cook, you guys could be gauging yourself with this video. Yeah, it was crazy. Do you guys know the very craziest thing? Like, my siblings literally predicted what I was going to do, and I did not disappoint. Well, back to the pot. Our rice is almost ready, but like it still needs some time. So just do what I'm doing here. Yeah. As a replacement for butter, I use some vegetable oil just to, prevent our rice from being sticky. Guys, you don't have to do so much. You see, the result is the same, like it's as effective as using butter. So I know, just try it out. Butter gives it a very flavorful, taste, but then vegetable oil can as well do the same thing. I just topped my rice with some sliced onions, carrots, and some sweet corn. Our rice is almost ready, so just cover back with the foil and then leave to cook for some more minutes, just to make sure that it's perfectly cooked, And after a few minutes, voila, our rice is ready. So that we'll just be mixing it and then making sure that every part of the rice has the carrots, toppings, and all of that. Yes, that's just what's happening here. Our rice is ready. Look how good it looks, guys. I really enjoyed making this today, and it's really good. You guys, look at your humble chef Chibisi. So our rice was ready here. Please, if you stayed up to this moment, trust me guys, I really appreciate. Do not forget to leave a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Please turn on the notification bell so you always get our updates. So we'll be pairing our meal today with some salad, and this is what we used. Yes, look at this rice, look at this gorgeousness. Oh my god. So yeah, we are mixing the salad with some whippy salad cream, mayonnaise actually. So that's just what's going on here, and could see how it looks. Healthy food. It's really healthy actually, so you guys try this out, please. Would you try out this recipe? Please do. And so we are come to the end of today's video. Oh, my people. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for sticking with us up to this moment. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.